Hi guys, this is Kim from Loving to Shop. Welcome back. Doing something a little bit different this time. I'm here to show you the LV Petit Noe. I actually received this item from my aunt. She had the bag for over 15 years and I asked her for it, and at first she was like, to be honest with you, but then she came back and she was like, okay, you can have it. So after I received the bag from her, I took it to LV to get refurbished. I'm going to insert a clip of how the bag looked when I first received it.
If she wants to get the side panels done, do you know what part that is?
I just want to tell you about my experience with getting a bag refurbished at LV. If you're interested, let's get started. So here is the bag. So this is definitely the older version. So this bag has to be at least 15 to 17 years old. So as you can see, all the vachetta has been switched out. The strap was switched. The two pipings down the side was switched out. The top was switched, and I also received a new pull. I kept the old strap. I do have it. It's somewhere around here, but I decided to keep the original base, and I did that because I wanted to have something that showed the original age of the bag, so I didn't want to switch everything out. So I took this bag into LV in February and I received the bag back in September. It took that long for them to refurbish this handbag, and for me to get all the vachetta changed, the total cost for the strap, the two piping, the trim, and the new tassel, it was $580. The good thing about it, I have shared this before on my Instagram, I only paid $80 out of the $580. They did that because I waited such a long period of time for the bag to actually come back from being fixed. So was my experience worth it? I had to do it all over again. Say if I was buying a pre-loved item or someone gave me something, I don't necessarily know. By the time you factor in the time that was lost of you not having the bag, so I had planned to use the bag for vacations and things like that, and I just didn't. The bag came back in the fall, so if you take that in consideration, you would say no. But obviously with the discount that I received from not having to pay for the services, only paying $80 out of the $580, of course I would say for that reason it was definitely worth it. As far as the craftsmanship, the bag looks brand new and the leather looks amazing. Definitely worth it. Like I said, I don't know if I'll necessarily do it again, but in this situation I feel like it was definitely worth it. So this is the LV Petit Noe. They do have a mini version. There she is. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.